So now let read for me. Read with teacher again. So this one teacher would like you to see, to read and see. So and then please remember for your part of the body. Now let's practice with teacher now. Okay, so parts of the body. Okay, 1, hair. Again, hair. Okay, 2, ears. Okay, 3, eyes. Okay, 4, nose. Again, please read louder. Okay, during you are read, please touch your body also. Okay, 5, mouth. Okay, 6, teeth. Right, 7, cheek. Okay, the picture. 8, chin. All right. Number 9, shoulder. Okay. Number 10, elbow. Number 11, finger. Oh, why you want to falling down? Do not falling. Please. Wait a minute, everyone, because it won't fall down. Alright, just stay a minute. Teacher want to take my student to know body part. Please be patient. Okay, please be patient with me. Also, everyone, please be patient. Alright. Okay, so where are we? Okay, so now let's start number 9 again. Okay, shoulder. Here, shoulder. Elbow. Okay, here, elbow. Fingers, your fingers. Knee. Okay, knees. Legs. Okay, feet. Okay, so please remember all this. Oh, teacher would like to show you one song. Head, shoulder, knee, and toes. Do you know that song? Yes, that song is like body part also. Okay, teacher will sing for you like head, shoulder, knee and toes, knee and toes, head, shoulder, knee and toes, and eyes and ear and mouth and nose, head, shoulder, knee and toes, knees and toes. Okay, you got it? So that song is so beautiful song, but because today we gotta study part of the body, that's why. Okay, the thing that make you learn fast. So you do Jason with your body because so easy. Okay, again, hair. Okay, this is my hair, my ear, my eyes, my nose, my mouth, my teeth. Okay, my cheek, my chin, my shoulder, my elbow, my finger, my knee, my leg, my feet. Okay, these are my feet. Okay, so thank you everyone for this video. I hope that everyone learn about your part of the body today. And if you have any question, you can ask teacher. Okay, thank you for this video. I hope that everyone enjoy with your holiday. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye everyone.